kids. It's that time again. Taylor Services Youth Organization's Fun in the Sun Summer Camp at University Church Chicago, 5655 South University, Chicago, Illinois, from June 25th, 2018 through August 17th, 2018, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Before camp care and after camp care is available. Camp activities include educational and recreational field trips, morning academics in reading, language arts, writing, and math, summer reading programs, poetry workshops, music workshops, financial literacy workshops, and age-appropriate activities. All campers must bring a bag lunch. Camp Session 1 starts June 25th, 2018 to July 20th, 2018. Fee is $500 per student. Camp Session 2 is July 23rd, 2018 through August 17th, 2018. Fee $500 per student. Before camp care is 7 a.m. to 9 a.m., $50 per week per student. After camp care is 4 p.m. to 6 p.m., $50 per week per student. For more info, call 877-379-3616. That's 877-379-3616. Or visit our website at www.taylorservicesyouthorganization.org. So come join Taylor Services Youth Organization's Fun in the Sun Summer Camp. We'll see you there.